Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create this cool effect in After Effects easily and quickly. Let's get started. First create a new adjustment layer, then move 20 frames forward by holding Shift and pressing page down twice. After that, cut the layer at that point by holding Alt and pressing the opening bracket key. You can now move the layer to where you want the effect to start, for example here. Next scroll to the beginning of the layer and apply the Find Edges effect. Enable Invert to reverse the colors, giving the edges a cleaner and more visible look. After that, apply Optics Compensation. Make sure you are at the beginning of the adjustment layer, set the field of view to 16. Enable Reverse Lens Distortion, and click the field of view stopwatch to add a keyframe. Finally, scroll to the end of the layer and change the field of view value to 0. Now apply the Posterize Time effect and change the frame rate to 12 to give the effect a choppy look. Next apply Turbulent Displace, set the amount to 25, then scroll to the beginning of the layer and click the amount stopwatch to add a keyframe. Scroll to the end of the layer and set the amount to 0. After that, press T on your keyboard, go to the beginning of the layer, and click the opacity stopwatch to add a keyframe. Finally, scroll to the end again and change the opacity to 0%. Press U on your keyboard to reveal all keyframes and select them all, then press F9 to ease them. Open the graph editor, right-click, select Edit Speed Graph, and create a curve similar to mine. Let's quickly preview the effect. That looks good. Now we can duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+D and move it forward to add one more glitchy effect. To make it look a bit different, on the duplicated layer change Turbulent Displace to Vertical Displacement. Let's check the entire video once more. It looks good, but to make the effect feel complete, I'll add shake effects above the adjustment layers. I'll use shakes from the AM Film Pack. You can check my shake tutorials on the channel, and you can also get the AM Film shakes from the link in the description below. Let's check the final result, and we're done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.